In downtown Boston, within the Bullfinch Crossing sub-neighborhood, the condominiums at 121 Forecaster offer residents a boutique, modern loft-style atmosphere at an attainable price point. We're here today at 121 Portland Street, where in 2017, this building, originally home to the Forecaster Boston Raincoat Factory, was converted to 80 loft-style residences. In this video, we are here at the Forecaster building, looking inside the homes, discussing everything you need to know about living here. My name is Charlie Smith, founder of the Boston Luxury Homes YouTube channel, and real estate agent serving the city and surrounding suburbs. Reach out anytime for assistance buying, leasing, or investing in the greater Boston area. When you step inside one of the residences at Forecaster 121, you're instantly met with a space that feels different. Not just another modern condo, but a home with depth, texture, and character. These units were built within the shell of a raincoat factory, and the design honors that heritage while delivering sleek modern comfort. The layout of each home takes full advantage of the original warehouse architecture. You'll find high ceilings, wide open living spaces, and oversized factory-style windows that flood the interiors with natural light. Many homes showcase selections of exposed brick walls, a nod to the building's industrial past that adds real warmth and visual interest. Lower floor units embrace this loft-like character, while the new upper-level residences introduce modern elements, and some even include private terraces or Juliet balconies that connect you to the city outside. Across the 80 residences, there's a thoughtful range of floor plans, from efficient studios to spacious 1, 2, and 3 bedroom homes. Many of the 1-bedroom units include 1.5 or even 2 bathrooms, and thanks to the building's geometry, no 2 units feel exactly alike. It's a boutique experience with just a few homes per floor and layouts that feel intentionally different. Looking into the heart of each home, the kitchen, you'll find a clean, contemporary design. Finishes include glossy white lacquer cabinetry, quartz countertops, and a full suite of Bosch stainless steel appliances. Storage is generous, often with pantries or extended cabinetry, and most layouts feature a peninsula or island that blends seamlessly into the living area, perfect for entertaining or casual meals. The living areas themselves are open and airy, enhanced by sustainable Plybo bamboo flooring, a modern, eco-friendly material that feels just as luxurious as traditional hardwood. These spaces are framed by oversized windows, many of which are original openings preserved from the factory days. Depending on the unit's orientation, the home enjoys neighborhood views over Portland Street, or on upper floors, views towards the financial district skyline. In the bedrooms, that sense of warmth and quality continues. Primary suites are generously sized, easily accommodating king-sized beds, and many include walk-in closets or custom storage systems that make the most of every inch. Sliding doors, smart layout divisions, and soft natural finishes give these rooms a modern appeal. The bathrooms are designed to bring a spa-like experience into the homes. Most residences include en-suite primary bathrooms, and many 1-bedroom units were built with 2 full baths or additional powder rooms. Finishes throughout are upscale. Frameless glass walk-in shower enclosures, soaking tubs in select units, high-end porcelain or marble tile, and dual vanities with chrome fixtures. Of course, every residence includes in-unit laundry, and multi-zone heating and cooling ensures year-round climate control. In select residences, you'll find true private outdoor spaces, ranging from Juliet balconies to full terraces, large enough for seating, plants, or a small dining setup. Prices range between $500,000 and $1.6 million. Rentals range between $2,500 and $6,000 per month. Looking at the building's amenities, as soon as you enter the building, you're greeted by a 24-hour concierge stationed in a secure, well-appointed lobby. Whether you're expecting deliveries, coordinating guest access, or just need a hand with everyday details, the concierge team adds a personal touch that makes Forecaster 121 feel like a full-service residence. Valet service is offered with access to a private on-site garage. Inside, Forecaster 121 supports your lifestyle with a fitness studio located right on the premises. The gym is equipped with several cardio machines, weights, and space to stretch or cool down. The building also includes a private conference room and club-style resident lounge that can be reserved for professional or social gatherings. Whether you're hosting a few colleagues for a meeting, planning a group dinner, or just want a change of scenery to work remotely, these common spaces offer versatility and quiet separation from home and life. It's a huge bonus, especially in a boutique building where shared space is generally limited. For residents who need more storage than what their unit provides, deeded storage lockers are available, ideal for seasonal items, sports gear, or anything you want to keep safe and out of sight. Security and convenience are seamlessly integrated into the daily experience. The building uses keycard access systems with secure entry points throughout. Combined with the on-site management and professional building operations, residents benefit from peace of mind and fast service if maintenance or assistance is ever needed. Looking at the design, originally built around 1910, this structure started life as a raincoat factory and warehouse for the Forecaster of Boston Company. Fast forward over a century later, and the building has been reborn. Not demolished and replaced, but preserved, expanded, and reimagined. From the outside, Forecaster 121 still shows its roots. The lower 6 stories retain their original red brick facade, accented by stone intels and basework. It's boxy and industrial in form, true to its warehouse origins, and exactly what gives the building its character. This base is solid, grounded, and full of authentic urban texture. When you look up, you'll see something more modern. In 2016, developers added 4 new stories on top of the historic structure, stepping them back slightly to preserve the original roofline and to create private terraces for upper floor units. These new levels are clad in a modern neutral tone panel system, intentionally distinct from the brick below. It's a subtle but powerful design choice. The new doesn't try to mimic the old, but rather complements it, creating a clear visual dialogue between past and present. Together, they form a unified building that feels rooted in the city's history, but ready for modern living. The project team didn't just expand the structure, they elevated its purpose. The building's placement on the corner of Portland and Friend Street gives it visibility from multiple angles, and the subtle architectural moves, like the recessed top floors and varied facade materials, help reduce massing and maintain a human-scale feel. Instead of dominating the street, the building sits comfortably within it, bridging the scale between Boston's historic blocks and its contemporary skyline. Located at 121 Portland Street, this building sits in the heart of Boston's Bullfinch Triangle, one of the most dynamic and well-connected areas in the entire city. It's the kind of address where everything is really just a few steps away. Forecaster 121 is just a block away from North Station, giving you access to the MBTA Green and Orange lines, commuter rail, and Amtrak. That's your direct connection to Cambridge, downtown, and beyond, without ever needing a car. In fact, this building has a transit score of 100. Whether you work downtown in Kendall Square or anywhere along the commuter rail, your commute couldn't be easier. The surrounding blocks have been transformed by the Hub on Causeway development, filled with restaurants, retail, and entertainment. It's a lively pocket of the city, and Forecaster 121 sits just far enough away to feel calm, but close enough to walk to all of it in minutes. Turn the other direction and you're just a block from the Boston Public Market and the Rose Kennedy Greenway. A little further and you're in the North End, Boston's iconic Italian neighborhood, filled with old world charm, family-owned restaurants, and cobblestone streets. Head west and you'll hit Beacon Hill, with historic brownstones and Charles Street boutiques. In other words, you're really in the middle of 4 distinct neighborhoods: downtown, North End, West End, and Beacon Hill. Whether it's grabbing a coffee on Causeway Street, walking to Quincy Market, hopping on the T, or catching a game, you don't need to think about how to get there. What's unique about this location is how it blends historic character with convenience. The Bullfinch Triangle was once an industrial district, overshadowed by elevated highways and rail lines. But since the Big Dig and the area's revitalization, it's become one of Boston's most promising urban neighborhoods. The building's position on Portland and Friend Street offers a slightly tucked away feel. You're not on a main road, but you're right next to everything. With a walk score in the high 90s, this is a neighborhood made for city living, where errands, dining, nightlife, and transit are all measured in steps. In conclusion, the residences at Forecaster 121 offer a highly central modern lifestyle at a reasonable price point. If you're looking to live in between four of Boston's best neighborhoods, you may want to consider this building. If you're thinking about making a move to Greater Boston, whether buying, renting, or investing, I'd love to be your resource. My name is Charlie Smith, and I specialize in helping clients navigate Boston's luxury real estate market. Feel free to reach out anytime, and if you enjoyed this video, please let me know what you think in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos on Boston real estate, luxury homes, and property tours.